Hey, Mark.
The big reveal. It's Eliza Benitez. How are you, Eliza?
I'm good. I'm good. Fancy seeing you here. How you
You're
doing?
like, we've done this today at some point already.
We have. We've done it for Australia and New Zealand, and now we're here to do it for India.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, buddy. Okay, so I am gonna write my winner on
Mm-hmm.
my notepad again.
Mm-hmm.
And are you ready?
Okay, I'm going to write mine down on my iPad. Ready?
Cool.
Drum roll.
Bum bum bum. Okay, one, two, three. Yay! So
Thank
our
goodness we're on
winner.
point. I thought you were going to make me do a dare if I revealed something different than you.
No, no, that's for later. So we picked BTD. Now their submission was over 5 minutes. However, we did stop at the 5 minute mark,
Correct?
and what we did like about this solution was that it catered for the people to be able to submit requests across three different technologies. So
Mm-hmm.
the first one was Power Apps Portals, then there was Forms Pro, and then they used a Power Virtual Agent. And the other thing that we didn't see, but we could work out by a screenshots of their app on a slide was how in their Power App the driver or assistant,
Yep.
don't know what you call them, could pick up the goods
Mm-hmm.
as well as find out the distance from A to B from where they need to go to pick up the goods, which is what
Yeah.
I quite liked, and I thought it was pretty good.
Awesome. Totally agree with you. It was a epic day. Thank you everyone for participating. It was, fantastic. I've tried to comment on all the videos that were put up on YouTube, so go read your comment if you haven't had a chance. But hey, thanks again for everyone being involved. And Eliza, we'll see you next time.
Yeah. See you, Mike. Bye.
Bye.